I am so excited to show you what we're going to do today with this amazing plant. I was very lucky enough to drive around my neighborhood. I found the most amazing and largest mimosa tree, also known as the silk tree. And this plant has such wonderful medicinal values that we're going to pull out today an elixir. And so in order to make an elixir, there's two things that you really need. You need an alcohol and you need some sort of sweetener. Typically in my elixirs, I'll use a brandy along with the honey, but today rum called out to me, so that's what we're gonna use. And I also have organic agave in the raw. So that's gonna be our alcohol, that's gonna be our sweetener, and we are gonna get started with processing these beautiful flowers to make a delicious and medicinal elixir. Okay, let's get started. While I go through and start cutting the flower, I thought I would just show you the tree that I pulled these beautiful petals from. I just so happen to be driving around the neighborhood looking for a mimosa tree. And the first one that I found was really small and the petals were just too high. And then I stumbled upon this one on my way back home, and it was absolutely gorgeous. While I prepare the flowers, I figured I'd tell you a little bit more about this beautiful plant. Scientifically known as Albizia julibrissin, the mimosa tree is a beautiful and fragrant tree that is native to southwestern and eastern Asia. It was introduced to the United States around the 1740s, primarily for ornamental purposes due to its attractive and fragrant fluffy pink flowers and fern-like foliage. The mimosa tree holds a special place in traditional medicine, particularly in Chinese and Persian practices. In traditional Chinese medicine, the bark and flowers of the mimosa tree are highly valued for their nervine properties. The bark is traditionally used to calm the spirit, relieve anxiety, and alleviate depression, earning it the nickname collective happiness bark. The flowers, on the other hand, are used to invigorate the blood, reduce swelling, and promote the healing of bones. The tree is also believed to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties, making it beneficial for addressing stress-related conditions and supporting cognitive function. Most herbal preparations that you find today list mimosa as a nervous system herbal supplement that offers support for a calm and balanced mood when used daily. Mimosa also contains natural antioxidant properties that help manage everyday influence on the body from environmental factors. Okay, so what we're gonna do now that we have collected all of these beautiful flowers is, I think this jar is good. I had a smaller jar, but I think we're gonna be good enough to put it in here. So we're just gonna drop them in there, like so. We are going to add some rum. And we'll keep adding more rum. This is gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna add enough rum to get to, this is 600 milliliters, which is about 20 ounces. And then the rest I'm gonna fill up with our agave. And then next, I'm gonna put the top on, give it a good shake, all the best intentions. It is rum, getting a little jazzy feeling. I'm gonna love on your medicine, have fun with it, okay? After you finish your preparation, let's go ahead and make sure that you get your label ready. You'll want to include the herb that you use, the type of menstruum, in this case we use rum, the percent alcohol by volume, any other ingredients that you included, in this case agave nectar, and the date that you started the preparation. You want to store your jar in a location that you'll remember to give it a shake every few days. And after 4 weeks, you'll want to strain the contents and enjoy several tablespoons throughout the day that you can add into your favorite tea, juice, or water. Enjoy!